how to use GPS on the Amazfit T-Rex 3. All right, so the first step is actually going outdoors. So for the best GPS signal, move to an open outdoor area away from buildings and heavy tree cover. The T-Rex 3 can take longer to acquire satellites near tall buildings or obstacles. And then after that, select an outdoor activity by pressing the select button and choosing an activity that uses GPS. There's outdoor run, walk, hiking, outdoor cycling. The GPS activates automatically when you select an outdoor workout. So please make sure you do. All right, so once that's done, go ahead and wait for the GPS to lock in. Before starting your workout, wait for the GPS indicator to actually turn green. That is from this indicator to move from red to a different color. All right, so according to Amazfit, you should wait for successful positioning before pressing start to ensure accurate tracking. The GPS status changes from red to green once the satellite lock is achieved. So red means it's still searching, green means it's ready. All right, and then you can go ahead and begin your workout. And you could also make use of offline maps. The T-Rex 3 also supports offline maps, so please keep this in mind. You're actually going to need to connect to a Wi-Fi, open the Zepp app, go to your profile, and then select map management, and then download the map area you actually need, and it would display it on your dial. And just make sure to follow your routes and choose a GPS mode to save your battery, as battery life is important. You can adjust it for more accuracy or for power saving GPS, as those are the options available. All right, guys.